Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off watermark in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then go to the more camera modes and select watermark. And here you have watermark. So yeah, you have a lot of different watermarks here. Not a lot. Okay, here you have different categories of watermarks. And yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.